I'm very, very grateful to God for the training that I had today, this morning. It was a very good one with Affirmative Art. It actually helped me, though I had dreams, I have visions, as you can see on this piece of paper. There are so many things that I would like to do, but I didn't like one day sit down to get the pen and paper in order to document my dreams down. But my experience today with Affirmative Art has actually helped me has helped me to see the importance of putting down my dreams and vision, all the things that I would like to do in the future. And also the training has been so good. It's like it has helped me to discover my purpose. It has helped me to look at myself at now and me in the future. It has helped me like to see my future. I've seen myself in the future, and it has also widened my thinking that, you know, I'm not limited. I don't know how to put it, but you know, I was not thinking at just the current me, but I looked into my future. Yes, and then yes, that's what I can say. It has very good class. Yes.